Mike selling this Bronco. What's up, y'all, man? What it do? What it do? I'm gonna run in here and see. I need to go and drop this off at UPS. I gotta drop that package off. And I also come and pick up some rent money and take a look at. I haven't been back up to this property to take a look and see what the tub looked like. The guy did the tub. I have to say something to him about these fucking. Let me text this tenant, man, because this is annoying with these caps out here on the trip. And out here,
A few moments later.
Man, you did an awesome job on this, but the only thing is, you kind of took some of the paint off of here. Oh, man. Is that going to be a problem? Is that going to start peeling up? It look good. The actual tub look good. I'm just concerned about that. Give me something, man.
Step back and sing it for a vomit!
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Out and about, man. I'm gonna run in here and see if they have my radio. He got his boat wrapped over here. All right. I left my radio. I don't know if it's gonna be here. Better to find out. Out to find out. Oh, he got a skiff over here too. Oh, he is getting all the money, man. This is my man, Uncle Buck. Georgie sell the skiffs. Oh, they got a Toys for Tot drive too going on. We're getting ready to do something for Christmas. They gonna have Santa Claus up this joint. Oh, that's a toy drop-off bin. We gotta bring some stuff up here. Look at this. This is kind of cool. I gotta find out what's going on with this, man. That's nice, right? Right here, Santa Claus. Oh, that's a nice drop box too. Cool. Mike selling this Bronco. He put the wheel package on it and turned it up. He got a little spot on it. He had to clean it off. The wheels is nice. And he put one on the back. It's got the leather interior. Damn, top come off. This is the one that folds all the way back too. This top just slides back. Yeah.
I'm surprised they don't have electric version.
Yeah. And 10 of these right here. So, Mike, what are you doing? You gonna have Santa Claus out there one day, or what day is that? You know? No. Me, you know what I'm saying? All I gotta do is put some white on this. My stomach going down though. I've been losing weight, so
You know what the best part about losing weight is, right?
What?
Is your camera still on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Town should set them all out the door, bro.
They say you're not?
I'm doing it.
Why they say that?
Before we drive,
Oh, this got the two
just call up the paper and let them know. Stone County.
Someone literally just said that.
Who's that?
Someone else just said that.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's insane.
Now you're
Fill out paperwork.
you're letting people with children that their parents can't afford toys.
I had to fill out special event permit.
It smell good in
And
here.
they denied it.
Well, I didn't get the official denial, but when I'm filling it out, it says, what are your plans for the event? And I'm writing like,
Toy drive.
yeah, when I
All right, so Big Mike is going to have a Christmas toy drive on November 26th up here in Holmes, PA, for the kids, for toys. November 26th, the time is going to be 11 to 2 or 11 to 3. So bring your kids up here, man. Have some drinks, you know, not alcoholic drinks, but drinks and a little bit of food, and get some toys for your kids. Bring a toy or two. So we're going to come up here and support, check him out on the 26th. Sound of Tri-State, man. Sound of Tri-State in Holmes, PA. All right, so yep, I did pick up my radio. He did still have my radio back there. I just want to have it, so you know, you never know. In case I get rid of the car, it's always good to still have it, right? So I appreciate him for still holding on to that joint for me, man. We're gonna keep on pushing, man. Also, I met a real cool guy in there. He does dent repair. Like if you got a little dent or ding in your car, he can get that out for you for, you know, like $1.50 somewhere around there. And I'm going to drop his I'm going to put a picture of his van right after this so you can see. Give him a shout out, man. He's local too in the Philadelphia, Delaware County area, and I'm going to definitely get him to come out. And I got 2 little dings in my Dodge Ram, and every time I'm driving it, I look right at the dings. So I want him to take them out for me. So you'll see that firsthand. We're going to have him come out and take them little dings out so you can see what he do, man. All right, he's a biker too. He ride Harleys, man. All right, I'll holler at you guys in a minute.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please, sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.
They doing it down here, man. Hey. Crazy thing is, this part of Jersey, I could live out here, man. It's like I could do this, man. I like land, space, away from folks, but not too far where I can get to make some things happen. I like to find a house out here that's all jacked up and put it back together. Yo, look at all these birds around up here flying. Look. Car stop. Look all these birds, man. Over here. All that.
When suddenly, this happens. A flock of black birds swirl to the ground. It's like nothing you've ever seen before.
These birds. Look at them crossing the street. Yo, that's crazy. Look. Look, that's crazy. What the hell? That part. Look, they all over here. I don't know if y'all can see them. It's like a million birds out here. What are they doing? Cowtown Rodeo, Saturday nights, 7:30. Tuesdays and Saturdays, Cowtown Rodeo.
Caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.